Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Toyota RAV4 cabin air filter. First, locate the glove box on the passenger side of your vehicle. It's important to completely empty the glove box of all its contents. This step ensures you have clear access to the filter housing behind it. You'll primarily need a new cabin air filter for this task, as no special tools are usually required. Now, to gain access to the filter, gently press inward on the sides of the glove box. This action will release the small plastic stops that hold it in place. Once released, the glove box will swing down, revealing the cabin air filter cover. Some models have a small dampener arm on the right side. Carefully disconnect this for complete access to the filter housing. With the glove box out of the way, you'll see the rectangular filter housing cover. There are typically two small clips, one on each side, that secure this cover. Unclip these, and then carefully pull the cover off. Now, gently slide the old cabin air filter straight out of its slot. Take a moment to observe the airflow direction arrow printed on the old filter. This is crucial for correct installation. Take your new cabin air filter and ensure the airflow arrow points in the correct direction, usually downwards. Slide the new filter into the housing until it's fully seated. Replace the filter housing cover, making sure the two clips snap securely into place. Finally, re-engage the dampener arm if you disconnected it. Then lift the glove box and push in on the sides to re-engage its stops.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.